What's going on, YouTube? Doing a quick box recap. I did a personal box today of Crown Royale 2010. It was box number 87. Alright, quickly go through the cards. I thought I videotaped this earlier, but I didn't. Anyways, first card was Ray Rice, Matt Stafford, LaDainian Tomlinson, Lee Evans, Darren McFadden, Julius Jones, Maurice Jones-Drew, Matt Schaub, as far as my rookie cards went, we have an Ed Dixon of the Ravens, Kyle Wilson of the Jets, Mike Iapuda, I guess, of the 49ers, Tavares Johnson of the Chiefs, Dan Wilson Blue. That was numbered 006 of 100. There it is. I got an All-Pros, Austin Collie. There it is. Kings of the NFL, Roddy White. In the Zone, Matt Stafford. There you go. There it is. A Living Legends, John Randall. Alright. A Majestic, Archie Manning. I got a couple royalty cards. First one is a rookie royalty. It's Armani Edwards, Panthers, not numbered, and Steven Jackson. Here come the hits. My first hit was a Kings of the NFL, Vernon Davis jersey card. And that was numbered 174 of 299. A Colt McCoy royalty jersey card. There he is. That is number 267 of 299. Next card was pretty cool. It's a royalty Ndamukong Suh auto. It's a sticker auto, but it was numbered 08 of 25. There it is. Last card was a die cut card. It says die cut rookies, and it was of Aurelius Ben of the Tampa Bay Bucks. Pretty cool looking card. And that was numbered 03 of 50. There it is. Got the number finally. Anyway, all of these cards are for trade or for sale. If you're interested, please let me know. Thanks for watching.